Hey everybody, it's George. So I'm at Harding Street, just going to give a very brief update. We can't do live videos from here because there's like terrible reception in my area. You can see behind me, it's down to the stud in the kitchen. We were in here last night, or yesterday afternoon, working with our electrician on the rough end, and as we just started working through it, we decided it's going to be better just to bring that to the stud. So that's actually what we were doing last night. One of the guys was here just kind of ripping out the plaster and lathe, and we'll be putting in all new sheetrock in there. But of course, with a demo like that, what do you get? You just get dust everywhere. So thankfully, these floors we had already pulled up. If I hadn't pulled up the carpet originally when we did this, all that dust would be settled in the carpet. So you may notice one thing, okay, as I come back in the kitchen here. So you can see that we demoed it out. You poked our holes for all of our lighting that's going to go in. You can see where we've got everything broken out here. Okay, so all new wires are going to be strung in. But you'll notice that the trim work is still in there. We're trying to salvage the trim. It may sound odd, like why bother? Well, it's because the adjoining rooms, we don't want to break the trim that we would then have to redo on rooms where the trim and the walls are perfectly good. So this is going to be a little bit of an effort here to get in new sheetrock in. We'll just probably mount in some new 1x3s so that we can mount the rock on. And we'll probably have to get a little bit creative with how we actually finish the trim work to the edge. But it'll look fantastic, and the best part is it's going to be a very clean install of a room. So we're lining everything up for our installs on cabinets, vanities, fixtures, you name it. Inspections next week for electrical are being done. Sheetrock guys are coming in the end of next week, so we'll hang everything here, mud and tape after that, and we'll be in great shape. We'll probably have about a 2-week lull in activity because of the holiday. Getting guys to come out, right after Christmas, it's not easy to do. We lost a little bit of time with Thanksgiving, so we're dealing with a couple of schedule bumps there, but we planned for it. We had it into our budget, so not a big deal. But Harding Street, moving along, feeling great about the progress, and looking forward to what this is going to look like. I mean, these floors, I meant to tell you. So we were in here the other day doing this demo work, and, well, you can't see it now because of all the dust, but as I was pulling up some of the subfloor here, the original 2-inch oak runs underneath this into the kitchen. So all of that hardwood that we have in the house is in the kitchen as well. We're going to do our damnedest to pull the rest of this subfloor up nice and gentle to see if we can salvage what's underneath this. Because if so, that is going to be all hardwood running in and out of the kitchen, consistent with the rest of the house. That'll be absolutely stunning. So cross your fingers. If that happens, that's my Christmas gift to myself for this house. Lisa already figured that was going to be the case, but I didn't want to jump to the gun until we started seeing the flooring come up. Anyway, that's Harding Street. Things are moving along great. Stay tuned. We'll have more updates coming. Thanks, everybody.